Snap-on Training Solutions helps you get the most out of your TRITON-D8 diagnostic tool. I'm Jim Moritz, Global Field Trainer and Sales Support Representative. This training module covers the previous vehicles and data function. The previous vehicles and data functions help you to quickly configure the diagnostic tool to the identity of a previously tested vehicle and to access your saved data files. From the home screen, select the previous vehicles and data icon. A menu of options opens. Let's select Vehicle History. The tool saves the identification of the last 25 vehicles tested, so there's no need to go through the complete vehicle identification sequence when performing an after-repair test. Once there are 25 vehicles saved, the oldest vehicle record is deleted when a new vehicle is identified. We'll select the Dodge Challenger for this example. We can now select Continue to confirm the vehicle we have chosen from the history list. The menu shows us the functions available in the tool for the selected vehicle on the module that was being used the last time the vehicle was identified. In this example, we see the TPM module main menu. Select the back icon to return to the vehicle history. Selecting View Saved Data opens a list of all the data movies and screen images that are stored in memory. Saved files are listed in chronological order by the date and time they were created, with the most recent files at the top of the list. The vehicle ID is also shown in the menu, and the file name is on the right. Saved files can be opened directly on the diagnostic tool, or they can be viewed by connecting to a computer or using the ShopStream Connect application available at no charge. Screen capture images have extension BMP, JPEG, or PNG. Saved scanner movies have a file name extension SCM. Data files and screen images are saved on the removable micro SD card in the tool. The tool software is also on this card. To delete a saved file, select Delete Saved Data from the menu. You can use the Select Deselect All icon to clear all saved data files at once, or select the checkbox for one or more files you wish to delete. Then press the Delete icon. Snap-on is dedicated to helping you get the most out of your diagnostic tool and keep your customers happy. Be sure to watch the rest of the modules in this Training Solutions series.